All right, today we're making the peanuts that my mom makes.
So you have the peanuts.
What do you call this in Tagalog? What's like the what do they have a term
Mani.
for this? Mani?
Mani is
Mani.
peanuts. Mani.
So we're gonna make mani today.
Like money papaya.
First, we're gonna shell the garlic. 3 bulbs.
Yeah.
All right, now that all this is shelled, don't even have to take all of it out. We're gonna slice
But like I say, it doesn't have to be
it.
perfect.
Perfect. And here we have the sliced garlic. This is actually very painstakingly sliced, so it took a while. Now, the next step.
Turn on the stove.
All right.
Medium fire.
Medium fire stove. All right, so we got this. We got this deep non-stick pan, an aluminum strainer, and then this siphon to get the peanuts out. Do I put oil in yet, or just let it get hot first?
Let it get
Hot first. Got it. Put a paper towel here because the oil that is, you know.
So this is where you strain your
Peanuts?
And I just rinse them.
Oh, these are the pans that you'll use. Ty's also cooking. He's making this sea bass penang style.
Better, Cody said better than penang.
Better than penang.
Better than penang. Really? Surprise.
Yeah,
Better than
he said he likes this better than penang.
almost half of this pan.
Half this pan, okay. And but then only a cup of peanuts per batch.
Yeah, this is.
I see.
I think this is 2 cups.
Yeah, this is a full 2 cup, but I want to keep it on the half cup. Is that what you're saying?
No, you keep it full.
Full. Okay. Put.
So that's why I'm saying you could use any other measurement as long as that peanut is enough for the oil that you
Got it. Okay, got it. All right, good. I was gonna mess that up. Good thing I got this on video.
of this pan. That's good enough.
Let's go right there. Okay. Okay. While that heats, we're going to open this guy, and we're going to fill the 2 cup measuring line of peanuts. All right. So we got a whole this bag. We use this container, and you know how much this container is, and you just put it into there. It doesn't mean the management. We just use this as an easy pour.
Pagkatapos, ilubog mo.
Isa lang.
Pag nakita mo yan, nagbabubbles,
Opo.
Pwede na.
pwede na yan.
Ayos. Ready na.
Oo.
Ayos
So,
po.
ito, ibuhos mo dito.
Ibuhos na dito. Ayos po.
Ibuhos.
You
Dahan-dahan para
can
hindi.
talk in English too with like a hug.
Yeah, that's what my...
Dahan-dahan is slowly.
Daan. That's right.
Splash.
Daan.
You need it to submerge it. And then, you get this, and you, like, so they would cook evenly. Yeah, from time to time, you stir them.
Just okay.
Stir it from time to time. To be a little brown,
Yeah.
you just wait a little bit more that they get brown,
Okay.
and then you can put the garlic.
Okay.
So see, but you could see the
The colors are changing now.
is pale,
Mapula.
maputla. See?
Maputla.
Pale,
Yeah.
and you see how the difference is. See, it's getting a little brown.
Oh yeah. Starting to toast.
Toast, and some people like it not so toasty. I like it a little toasty.
No, I wanted that. Like that's exact. I want it the way you
See?
make it normally. Toasty.
See, like not too much, so they will cook.
I see.
Yeah, that's good enough.
Okay.
So,
Just like
so they all have
like
space
two
to
two
cook.
little handfuls of it. Got it.
The top is a little burn, a little
Yeah.
toasty, not burn, but toasty.
So again, just slowly, so nothing gets hurt away from you. And then instantly you start stirring.
Of
Some salt.
salt.
So finished it. This is a lot more detailed. It's all about color. So we did that. We have some salt, some MSG, monosodium glutamate. It is not bad. That is some racist stuff, but and then we just stir it up, and this is perfect. Mani.
A little bit of this.
That's some perfect mani right there.
There you go.
Mani.
Mix it and you're done.
That's money. That's money. 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 That's how you do it.
Yeah,
Thanks,
done.
Nai.